So in the previous session we have discussed about regular expressions and some methods that we have applied on for the sample text, okay, like search, match, find all, split, substitute and compile, all that. So we have discussed, and today we are going to discuss on the meta characters. So I have told you about meta characters, like some of the meta characters that are there. So we are going to discuss in detail about meta characters today. So let me create the same and let me take the same text again. So text. So this is our text, and so coming to the case of meta characters. So let me get this. Okay, so there are lots of different meta characters that have been I've shown you here. Okay, so I'll show you how each and everything will be used. Okay. So let me use find all only. Mostly, like I'll be using find all, so to find all the characters that I'm matching with what are the meta characters that I include. So re dot find all. So inside find all, like we know we have to put two two input parameters. One is the input text and one is the regular expression string that we have to match with. So our text. So this expression, whatever you write, okay, it is going to get you whatever you wanted. So when I'm putting dot, so the dot is the first meta character. So whenever you are using dot, write on it. You can see it is getting every character. Okay, it is getting every character of the data. Okay, let me store this in a result and print the result. Okay, so when you see this, so when I'm putting dot as our input regular expression string, so it is matching literally every character. Okay, really every character in the text. Okay, whatever the data is there in the text, it is going to match everything. Okay, and the meaning of dot is nothing but it is going to match every character simply. Okay, it's going to match every character. So the same thing if you do with match, for example, instead of find all, I'll do match, and you can see it is stopping at the first. Okay, it is stopping at the first character, which is T. Okay, the first character is T in the text, right? As we know, match only does the starting value. Okay, so dot is considered any character, so T is one of the character which it can match, so it is matching that and it is stopping. And let's go with search. In the same case, same thing will happen, because search can search anywhere in the text, but dot represents any character, so the first character it is matching and it is giving the 0, 1 position, which is the 0th position. Okay, so it is matching that and it is giving, so that is the case. Okay, and coming to the next meta characters that I wanted to show you is slash small w. Slash small w is called alphanumeric characters. It matches alphanumeric characters. Okay, only alphanumeric characters will be matched. Only alphanumeric characters will be matched. So alphabets and numbers. Okay, alphabets and numbers, and also there is underscore. Okay, underscore, alphabets and numbers will be matched. Alphanumeric characters and underscore. only these things will be matched with the slash w. So now if I do re dot find all inside our regular expression, so let's write slash w. So this is going to match all the characters, okay, all the characters which are alphabets and numbers, okay, alphabets and numbers. You might see if there is an underscore, it will match an underscore, but I think there is no underscore, but yeah. So our main purpose is to match alphanumeric characters and an underscore. So slash w will fulfill that, okay. So it is going to match all the alphanumeric characters, alphabets and numbers. You can see 2019, okay, so all the text now, so 13 and 2012, so you can see each and everything, but it is not combined, okay. Slash w is trying to find all the alphabets and numbers, okay. So T is an alphabet, so it matched T. H is an alphabet, it's matched H. So like that, wherever it is finding an alphabet and wherever it is finding a number, it is matching it. And let's try the same thing with match and search. So first character, which is T, it stopped there itself because that is also representing an alphabet. So it is part of alphanumeric characters and underscore, which slash w can match. So T is the starting point, it is there. So match only searches at the match only looks at the starting position. So T is matched. And similarly, let's go with search. So search also finding the first letter. So if there is if the starting value is something else other than alphabet, so let's say that it has started with some inverted comma or any other special character, it won't have matched the starting one. The span would be some different thing, but T is an alphanumeric character, so it is going to be matched wherever it is, okay. Wherever the first character it is finding, it is going to give that position simply. So that's what slash w. And coming to the next one, slash capital W, which matches non-alpha numeric characters. So simply opposite of slash w, okay. So simply opposite of slash small w is slash capital W, okay. So whenever you are going to give slash capital W, all the special characters will match, okay, other than what slash w can do, slash capital cannot do that, okay. So simply opposite of 4, you can say, okay. So let's write our and all, and instead of slash small w, let me put slash capital W, and you can see the result. It is going to get all the special characters. You can see spaces, okay, you can see commas, slash and inverted commas, brackets, okay, everything. So whatever the special brackets are there, they are going to match. And this one is a minus, not an underscore, okay. This one is a minus, so underscores cannot be matched because underscore will be matched with slash small w, so slash capital W will not match underscores, okay. So whatever the special characters are there, slash capital W will match all that. So now if you check with match and try slash capital W, you won't see anything because it's not matching anything at the start. It only looks at the starting position, so there is no special character at the starting position. So slash w slash capital W is not giving any result. And coming to the case of search and slash capital W, you will see the position. In the third position, it is seeing a space, okay. After the word the, there is a space, right? So this is a special character that it is considering. So the first occurrence happened at 3, 4, okay. So that's why it is giving that position 3, 4. And coming to the next one, slash b, I will use slash b, and yeah, let's try slash s slash d. Okay, let's try slash d. Slash d is basically nothing but it is going to match digits. Okay, match digits. So whatever the digits are there, it is going to match all those digits. So it is not going to match other than digits. Okay, so let's try slash d. So you can see these are all the numbers. Okay, these are all the numbers or the digits that are present in our text. Okay, in our input text, these are all the things that are present. And if you try to do the same thing with match, okay, and search, so match none, and because starting character is T, so that only it can do, and search wherever it is finding the first number. So at this position it found the first number, which is 2. Okay, which is 2. And the next one is slash capital D. So it is simply quite opposite to small d. So opposite to slash small d. Okay, so small d matches all the digits, slash d matches all the things other than these digits. Okay, so let's do this. So find all slash capital T. So it is matching everything except numeric values. Okay, everything except numerical values. So that's what the output of slash capital D. Okay, and if I do match and search, that also it will do, which is the first character you will get. Okay, it is matching the first one, which is not a digit, so it is matching it. Okay, and the next one, same thing, search you do, search and capital D, and it is matching the first character because it is not a digit. Okay, wherever it is finding the initial value, then it is going to start that. Okay, so coming to the next thing, slash s. Matches only spaces. Okay, slash s is basically going to match only the spaces. Okay, so find all and put slashes, and these are all the spaces that it has found. Okay, these many number of spaces are there. Even slash n is also space. It's nothing but combination of multiple spaces because it's a new line. Slash n is nothing but new line, so which is nothing but there is a gap. Okay, so here you can see, so in our data, so these, okay, this part from here to here. Okay, this whole thing after this, it is coming to the next line. So these are considered as slash n's. Okay, slash n's. So that's case. That's why there are two slash n's here, and so that's why it is matching whatever the spaces are there. It is matching all those. Okay, and the same thing you can try with match and search. Match, it is not going to give anything because the first character is not space. And search, you can see in the third position. From the third position you can see there is space. Okay, there is a space, like we have tried for slash capital W, so which it has given us the same thing as output for slash capital W, so which has given the third to fourth character in the same way. Here also it is giving the third to fourth character, which is a space. Okay, and coming to the next one, slash capital S. Okay, and which will match or simply I can say opposite to slash smallest. Okay, so simply try to apply slash capital S here. So whatever is not space, it is going to match. Okay, wherever there is no, I mean, just except spaces, remaining things it is going to match. Whether it is a number or alphabet or special characters or anything, if just simply other than spaces, it is going to match all. Okay, that's yeah. And coming to the next case, you can try match. It will match the things other than spaces. So other, it is not, T is not a space, so that's why initial character has matched. And same thing with search. So give a capital S and it is going to match it. Okay, it is going to match it. So that's what the case of slash capital S. Okay, now let's come to the actual expression. These are like I am just showing you like single things. Okay, like single meta characters, but actual point is like we have to we'll be writing a combined meta characters, like which will try to match some particular pattern in the data. Okay, say for example, okay, so let me open regex 101. I'd like to show you only the things that I wanted to match. And let me paste my input string here. And okay, so from this one, let's say I just wanted to match. Okay, for example, the years. Okay, so whatever the years that are included. Okay, whatever the years that are included in my input string, I just wanted to print all the years. Okay, so for example, slash d. If I give slash d, you can see the match information to 0, 0, 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, all that, like single digits it is getting matched. Okay, single digits it is getting matched. But I don't want single digits. Okay, I want years exactly. Four letters. Okay, 4 letters. So for example, here in the meta characters I have shown you, there is this thing called star and plus. Okay, star and plus are the main major things that we use in apart from meta characters. Like those are going to be a like what we say supporting characters for every meta character. Okay, a star and plus is always going to be a supporting ones for every meta character that you try. Okay, so if you give plus or star, okay, so it is going sorry, so of course it's not matching everything, but okay, so let's give plus matches basically uh, the combined characters. Okay, minimum one character should be there. Okay, minimum 1 digit or more than 1 digit is the meaning of plus. Okay, but for star it is like minimum 0 character or more. Okay, 0 or more is going to be matched. So I think that's why it is basically giving those many number of nulls. Okay, because and also you can see the match information here. So 2012 is match, basically you can see the highlights. Okay, and wherever there are spaces it is matching because that is considered as 0. Then you can see there should be null. So you can see match 1011. Okay, so this is 773. Let's see 773. group 0 match 728 773 2012 it has to be, yes. So match 773 which is 2012, it is matching. Okay, so it is matching all, but slash d star is basically nothing but it is going to match minimum 0 character to maximum n number of characters. Okay, so that is the meaning of star. Okay, star is always minimum 0 and maximum n numbers. Okay, so maximum number of characters, but here we are mentioning slash d, so either it has slash d and star. Okay, slash d basically matches only digits and star will match 0 to empty to n number of characters of the digits. Okay, so that's why even the spaces are considered as empty here, so that's why it is not it is showing all the null information, but you can see the numbers that are matched. But if you wanted to see precisely, you have to put dot slash d plus, because slash d plus is going to slash d plus is going to give you minimum one digit or more than one digit. Okay, minimum 1 to maximum n number of digits. So here we got the match information. So 2008, 2012, 2013, 15, 16, 19, 21, 22, 24. So all that we have this information. Okay, all this we have information. But the thing is, we also have single digits also. Okay, we also have single digits also, which we do not want. Okay, which we do not want, but basically I just wanted to understand. So star and plus difference. Okay, so not only for slash d, we can also do this for slash w, slash capital W, slash capital D, slash capital S. So everything we can do with this. Okay, so here finally, like I can clearly say slash d plus is giving the characters which are minimum 1 and maximum n. Okay, but I would like to show you more meta character information here. Instead of plus, you can put flower bracket and you can put the length. Okay, so now this represent I only want 4 combined digit kind of characters. Okay, so 4. So slash d with flower bracket 4 represents you need a match, exact match. Okay, exact match of digits which have 4 characters. Okay, 4 digits only. Okay, 4 digits only, not single digit, not two digits, not 5 digits, not 10 digits, only 4 digits only. Okay, that is your exact match. So in your output you can see there is no, okay, there is no single character that has got matched. Okay, there is no single character that has got matched. So like this you can combine meta characters and you can try to get the info. So for example, as we were discussing, get all the years. Okay, so what you can do is re dot find all. Okay, I just wanted to find all the years. Okay, so I would like to do slash d plus first, and then let me see the output. You can see these are all the values that I am getting. Okay, but I actually wanted to get only four. Okay, so slash d with 4, so you can see only the years. Okay, only the years we got. Okay, because year are 4 characters, so that's we are getting 4. Okay, so that's what's the case. So 4 digits. So like this you can get the combined value. So slash d plus and slash d 4. Okay, so I have shown you plus and star and this flower bracket, but what if you apply with dot? Okay, dot plus dot star, like that. Okay, so let's try. Instead of putting slash d plus, let's try slash star. Slash star is basically going to match everything, and you can see this is considered as slash n, which is going to match. Okay, it is a match, and then this whole thing as a combined value. Okay, like that, and then it is giving okay, and it is giving last character also some character like this. So hidden characters or escape characters, something you can say. Okay, all the escape characters will match. So like literally everything will get matched. Okay, when you're saying dot star, literally everything will get matched. But the same thing if you try with dot plus. Okay, so it is not matching these and this because plus and star have only one difference. Star will match from 0, okay, 0 or more. Plus will match whether if it is a minimum of 1, okay, minimum of 1 character should be there. So that's the difference between plus and star. Minimum of 1 or more, and the star is minimum of 0 or more. Okay, so that's why it is matching. There's a difference in the output with slash dot star and dot plus. Okay, so same thing you can try with slash w plus. So basically slash w plus is going to match every word separately. Okay, so every word separately it is going to match. Okay, whatever it can, it is going to match all that. So underscore also gets matched. Okay, and so special characters won't be matched. Okay, apart from special characters, remaining all will get matched. Okay, so slash w plus is going to give you all this. And same thing I will try with match. So the first one is got matched, okay, because it is looking for the combined word. Slash w plus is a combined word, okay, and there is no space that it can match. Okay, it cannot match a space because slash w is always an alphanumeric character. Okay, alphanumeric character. So if you see, it is not combined. Okay, the output is separated because there are spaces in between them. Okay, there are spaces in between them. So these are all slash w places only. Okay, slash w places only. These are all slash w places. Let me do with find all slash w star. Now you can see even spaces also gets matched. Okay, in between empty, like these are considered as 0. Okay, these are considered as 0. Whatever it can, it is trying to get matched for all these. Okay, so that's for the difference between slash w star and plus. Okay, that's why mostly we'll use plus. So plus mostly gives us what's required, but yeah, star is also better because if you want everything you can use star. And coming to the next case, like say find all the words after the word Marvel. Okay, wherever you are seeing the word Marvel, I just need the next word after that. Okay, so some, like I'm just trying to look for a pattern. Okay, I'm just trying to look for a pattern. Like I just wanted to word, okay, after Marvel. So I know I'm looking for, so I'll just convert everything into lowercase. Okay, and then I'm just looking for the word Marvel. Okay, so there are 5 times it was repeated, but I'm not interested. Okay, I'm not interested in the word Marvel. I'm interested in the word after Marvel. Okay, I'm interested in the word after Marvel. So let me just give, okay, a small glance. Okay, so after Marvel, okay, after Marvel means there could be a space. Okay, there could be anything else. Okay, what I'll do is, so I will just put slash w, okay, after this. So I'm getting nothing because slash w is not matching, especially there might be a special character after Marvel. Okay, there might be a special character after Marvel. So what I can do is, instead of slash w, I'll put slash capital W. So there are spaces after every Marvel. There is a space. Okay, after every Marvel there is a space. See, I can also put slash s also. Okay, that also will match. Okay, but I am putting slash capital W only because to find out whether there are any special characters after that. Okay, and after, till this part is clear. So where we are trying to match Marvel, and then afterwards we are trying to get the next character. Okay, so the next character is a space. Okay, let me do slash capital W plus. So whether if there are any multiple special characters after Marvel, so there are no multiple special characters, only one special character there, which is space. Okay, which is space. So and then afterwards I need the next word. So word means alphabet. Okay, it could be number also, alphanumeric it could be. So I can use slash W plus for this. So you can see Marvel Cinematic, Marvel Studios, Comics Universe Studios. Okay, these are all the words that I can get. These are all the words that I can get. Okay, so like this I am trying to get whatever the next word that Marvel can get. Okay, whatever the next word that Marvel have. So I'm getting all those words. Okay, and one more thing, I'm just only interested in this part. Okay, in the output I don't want this Marvel and space. I don't want. Okay, I don't want Marvel and space. I'm interested in only this word. Okay, these words. So in that case what you can do is just need to paste here, and there is one more special character that I wanted to introduce you here, that is bracket. So whenever you are putting a bracket, only that will be your output. Okay, only that will be shown in the output. Okay, so wherever you are putting the bracket, that will be your output simply. Okay, that will be your output. So like this, where I am putting the bracket around the right hand side special or regular expression. So I am getting slash W plus. Okay, so like this you can get only the words which you are interested in. Okay, and let me say find all the words starts with let's say some C. Okay, C. This is a question. So what you can do is array.find all. I'll remove this part. I'm looking for the words that start with C. Okay, words that starts with C. So after C it could be anything. Okay, after C it could be anything. So I'll do slash W plus. I am focused on the words which are going to start with the letter C. Okay, I'm going to start with the words that are going to start with letter C. Now if I execute this, you can see there are words that are here. Okay, but you can see cinematic is fine. Okay, it is a clear word. Can is fine. Centered is fine. Characters are fine. But you can see some words like this CU, which doesn't mean anything. CED, CHIAC, it could be franchise. Okay, franchise. That means even the middle, in the middle also it is trying to match. Okay, in the middle also it is trying to match. So basically I don't want these things. I only want the words that are starting with C. Okay, I only want the words that are starting with C. So in that case what I can do is, now I'm going to introduce you with another meta character, which is slash B. Slash B is called as boundary. So my starting boundary is C. That means my starting value will always be C. Okay, starting boundary with C means, so only the words which are meaningful you are going to get. Okay, only the words which are meaningful you are going to get. You can see the above output and below output. There is a lot of difference. That is the usage of, that is the understanding of slash B. Okay, that is the understanding of slash B, because it is considered as a boundary. Okay, so after the space, okay, after the space or after any special character, whichever is the word it is starting, it is going to consider that. The special characters it is not going to consider. Okay, slash B is considered as a boundary like this. Okay, and similarly my next question will be find all the words which ends with D. Okay, so this is my question, and now I can apply the same thing. I need D to be my boundary simply. Okay, which ends with D means D should be my boundary. and before D it could be anything. It could be number, or it could be words, or anything. Okay, so I just wanted to get all the words. Okay, basically words are basically are alphabets. Okay, alphabets and numbers. Okay, so slash D plus. Okay, slash D plus, and you are trying to get the words that are ending with D. So I kept the boundary at the last. Okay, this is the ending boundary. Okay, this is the ending boundary. I just want the words which are going to end with D. So execute. So these are all the words that are ending with D. Okay, these are all the words that are ending with D in the given text. Okay, in the given text, these are all the words. So that's what you can get. Okay, and my next question will be, find all the words that starts with A and ends with D, for example. Okay, so my expression will change now. I wanted my starting boundary as A, okay, and my ending boundary as D. Okay, but in between, okay, in between I can write anything. So my starting boundary is A, my ending boundary is D. Okay, so now in between I'll put slash W plus. Okay, in between A and B it could be anything. It could be alphabets or numbers or anything. So you can see this is the only word that it found, and. Okay, and is the only word it found, and it was repeated lots of times. Okay, so like this you can find any word that starts with a particular value and ends with a particular alphabet or also. Okay, and when I'm putting slash W plus, it could also match numbers also. Okay, it could also match numbers also, but the case is I don't want to match numbers. I only want to match only alphabets. Okay, only alphabets. Get only words. Okay, get only words with alphabets. Okay, get only words with alphabets. I don't want any numbers. Okay, I don't want any numbers here. So what you can do is, now I am going to give you one more special characters that I wanted to show you. Meta characters. So here what you can do is, so slash W plus is basically going to get all the alphanumeric characters, right? So even if you have numbers, okay, it is going to get all those numbers, but I don't want numbers. Okay, I'm just interested in alphabets only. Okay, whether it is a smaller case or capital case or whatever it is. I'll remove this lower. So whether it is smaller case or capital case, anything, I just want only alphabets. I don't want numbers. Okay, so in that case what you can do is, you have to put a square bracket and whatever the characters that you want. Okay, I just want the characters from A to Z. Okay, you can mention simply which characters you want. I just wanted to get only A to Z. Capital A to Z means only capital letters. Okay, only capital letters you'll get. And if you say small A to Z, it is going to get only small letters. Okay, and if you say both capital A to capital Z and small a to small z, it is going to get all that. Okay, capital and small. But if you want the words combinedly, so you have to use plus. Okay, so capital A to capital Z and small a to small z, whatever it can match. Okay, whatever the combinations that it can do with all the 26 capital letters and all the 26 small letters, it can combine all that and it will try to match whatever it will match. Okay, so all the alphabets are combined here. So A to capital A to capital Z and small a to small z. The same thing we can also write with capital A to small z, capital A to small z, which represents capital A to capital Z and small a to small z. Okay, you can write like this directly, capital A to small z. Okay, like this you can match. Okay, and slash w plus will also match underscore. What if you don't want an underscore? So in that case you can mention like this. So you can mention 0 to 9 also. Okay, so this represents A to Z 0 to 9. So you can see in the output you are getting number also. Here you won't see any number. Okay, here you won't see any number. In the above you won't see any number, but below you can see the numbers because I have introduced 0 to 9 also. Okay, 0 to 9 also I have introduced, so that's why you are getting the values. Okay, and there's one more thing that I wanted to show you, which I'm going to put cap. So the meaning of this is basically nothing but not. Okay, it is called as not. You don't want A to Z and 0 to 9. That then A to Z and 0 to 9 you can match anything you want. Okay, so it is going to give all the special characters, numbers, sorry, not numbers, all the special characters. Okay, all the special characters in your input text, whatever it can get, it is going to get everything like that. Okay, and yeah, let me just cover that thing. So I'll remove this and slash w plus. So here normally if I put slash w plus you are going to get everything. Okay, you are going to get everything, but if you put slash w plus but starting with a cap, so here inside the bracket when you are putting this cap, it is considered as not, but that is in the square brackets case. But if you are putting capital sorry, this cap in this before, I mean without any square brackets or anything for slash w plus, it is considered as, okay, only the starting value. Okay, only the starting value. So slash cap is always considered as starting position value. Okay, starting position value. And similarly, so I'll remove this cap and I'll put dollar. So dollar is always considered as ending character. Okay, ending character. So slash w plus basically is going to trying to get the last one. So last basically it has a dot. Okay, so that's why it was like that. So let me just do one thing. So when you are giving a dollar, it is trying to get the last one, which is an empty. So when you get when we did this one, let me show you. Yeah. So dot star when you are doing the last character is this. Okay. So basically it is trying to get that value only. Okay, it is trying to get that value. So let me do one thing. So instead of putting empty like this, I'll put slash capital W plus, and because the last characters are special characters. Okay, so that's why they are getting the special characters here. Okay, so like this you can get the special character values and all. Okay, in this one. So that is the usage of dollar and also the cap. So cap is going to give you the starting position value of the word, and dollar is going to give you the ending character or ending special characters, whatever the values that are at the ending part, it is going to get those values at the end. Okay, so that is the usage of cap and dollar. Okay, and yeah,